Hip in towards me. Roll that hip in.
Dr. Nick here, board certified orthopedic surgeon. Yes, cracking your back can feel great. Sometimes our backs can get tight and feel locked in position. And by cracking it, we suddenly allow the joint to move, and all of a sudden the muscles are a lot happier. And an interesting fact, the sound actually comes from gas bubbles that are in our synovial fluid. In addition, when we crack a joint, such as our back or even our knuckles, we actually get a release of endorphins, which serves as a natural pain medicine, which is why it feels so good.
A little bit for me. There we go. On your back. Ooh.